Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the secret to earning deep respect from women. Women deeply respect men who apply this. If you've ever wondered what it takes to be respected and admired by the incredible women in your life, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we delve into this powerful insight that can make a significant difference in your relationships. Segment 1: The Power of Empathy. One of the key traits that women deeply respect in men is empathy. Understanding and being there for others in times of need is a true testament to your character. Segment 2: Honesty and Integrity. Women highly value honesty and integrity. Being truthful and standing by your principles will earn you their utmost respect. Segment 3: Active Listening. Listening actively and attentively when women speak is a game-changer. It shows that you genuinely care about what they have to say. Segment 4: Supporting their dreams. Encouraging and supporting women in pursuing their dreams is incredibly admirable and earns you immense respect. Segment 5: Respecting boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is essential in any relationship. Women deeply respect men who understand and uphold these boundaries. Segment 6: Taking responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions, whether good or bad, showcases maturity and accountability, garnering respect from women. Segment 7: Being vulnerable. Expressing vulnerability and being open about your feelings creates a deeper connection and resonates with women on a profound level. Segment 8: Treating others with kindness. A man who treats everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their background, earns respect from all around. Segment 9: Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is crucial in understanding and empathizing with women's emotions, leading to their admiration. Segment 10: Showing appreciation. Demonstrating gratitude and showing appreciation for the efforts of women in your life will not go unnoticed and will be deeply respected. Segment 11: Being supportive in challenges. When women face challenges, being a supportive pillar and offering a helping hand earns profound respect. Segment 12: Recognizing their strengths. Acknowledging and celebrating women's strengths and accomplishments fosters a culture of respect and admiration. And there you have it, dear viewers. Women deeply respect men who apply this. Incorporating these traits into your life will not only earn you respect but also create meaningful and lasting connections. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, remember to apply these qualities to be the man women deeply respect.